This is live from Bloomington, Indiana. It's shortly after midnight Friday morning, 2013, December 6th, I believe. And it is currently coming down moderately heavy. It is finally all snow, I believe. And medium size flakes, small to medium size flakes at this time, expected to pick up and continue most of today. So be safe and enjoy, because it is fun and beautiful. And there's the puppy getting all wrapped up around this pole. Come on, come on, show him what you like to do. Show him. Yeah, she's a good girl. Alright, enjoy this winter, everybody. Love it. Later. Hey, Ellie, come on, come on. Oh, good girl. Yeah, you like the snow? You like the snow?